I am going to show you how to schedule an assignment or material so that it does not show up until a certain date. So I'm in my G Suite. You can see that I have the banner right here. I'm going to click on the waffle and choose Classroom. I'm going to be choosing one of my classrooms where I am the teacher. So I'm going to choose this one where I am the teacher. And when I create something on my page, I'm going over to Classwork. So in the Classwork tab, I can create an assignment, which would be a due date, and it would have points attached or a rubric for a score. I can do a quiz assignment. I can do a question, or I can just post material such as your playlist. So I'm going to show you the material. I'm going to give it a name. For right now, I will just call it practice because I'm not really going to post this. But as soon as I typed in the title, you can see that this turned blue over here. I can give it a description. I could add or attach my playlist there if I wanted to. If I had a document, I could add that. I could use something out of my drive if I have it saved there. I could create a link, attach a file, or even attach a video from YouTube. Over here, I'm telling who it's for and which exact students it's going to pertain to. So I could make a separate assignment or material for different students in my class. So I would click the drop down and click on the checkbox for the students that I want to assign this to, or I can choose all students. This is for this one class that I have, but if I click here, the same way as students work, I can click here and select the different Google Classrooms that I have created. So I could attach it to all of these different classes if I wanted to. Now I can also tell it to give it a topic. I can create a topic or choose one of my topics that I have already created. Now we're going to schedule this so that this assignment does not show up yet. So right here where it says post, I'm changing post because post means it will show up right now. I don't want to do that, so I want to schedule it. So this will stay grayed out where my students cannot see it until I choose the date that I want to show it. So in this case, since we are not doing distance learning until April the 20th, I can add my playlist here once it's been approved by my administrator, and I can choose schedule. It will stay grayed out until the April the 20th when it will become live. Notice I can change the time that it becomes live as well. So I can tell it that at 8 a.m. on April the 20th, students would be able to see it. So thinking about when class would start normally for your students on April the 20th, you can adjust that time and then you can click schedule. Then it will be grayed out. It will be attached already and then it will automatically show up at the date and time when you want it to show. I hope that is helpful to everyone. Thank you.